And welcome back. Greg Lee and Ravel Morrison are among 4 new players who have been called up for the Reggae Boyz for their 2 friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia next month. As Simon Preston reports, Junior Flemings has also been included in the squad, which sees only 5 local-based players being included in the final squad for the trip to the Middle East.
The 4 new faces in coach Theodore Whitmore's squad are Ravel Morrison, Daniel Johnson, Norman Campbell and Greg Lee, who are all playing their trade in Europe. The 26-year-old Lee of Scottish club Aberdeen FC is a left-back who was born in Manchester, England to Jamaican parents. The former Manchester City player is known for getting into attacking positions and providing goals and assists. 20-year-old forward Campbell, who made his debut with Serbian club FK Grafikar, also received his maiden call-up to the senior Reggae Boyz. The former Jamaica College Manning Cup star is on loan from Harbour View. Morrison and Johnson were previously called up, but both had challenges with logistics and were not able to don in the national colours. Striker Junior Flemings, who scored 14 goals for Phoenix Rising in this season's USL before being suspended for 6 matches for his alleged use of a homophobic slur, takes his place in the team. The 5 local players in the 24-man squad are Ricardo Morris and Lamar Walker of Portmore United, Kemel Malcolm of Arnott Gardens, Joshawn Anglin of Harbour View, and Dennis Taylor of Humber Lion. The 5 local-based players will be tested for COVID-19 on November 4, and if they produce negative results, then they will be able to travel on November 6. There is no place in the squad for skipper and ace goalkeeper Andre Blake, as his MLS club, the Philadelphia Union, would have logistical issues with the playoffs set for November 20. The goalkeepers in the squad are Amal Knight, Dennis Taylor and Dwayne Miller, who was last a member of Jamaica's squad at the 2017 edition of the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Shamar Nicholson has been rewarded for his good form in Belgium. The rest of the squad reads Kemar Taxi Lawrence, ONeil Fisher, Alvas Powell, Michael Hector, Kevin Lambert, Leon Bailey, Kaheem Paris, Bobby Reed, and Javon East. TVJ Sports football analyst ONeil 1878 Meredith commented on the balance of the squad.
So looking at it, I'm a bit more optimistic of what we will go to Saudi Arabia and do. Although a number of players within this team, you'd say we have never seen them in terms of debut. A number of them look like they'll be making debut for the national team. But I'm encouraged.
Meredith highlighted one player who is eager to see in national colours.
I'm very excited. In fact, I'm like a hungry man standing over a box of fried chicken right now looking at the name Ravel Morrison, because this player, we have been promised a number of occasions previously that he would have been a part of the squads, and he has basically disappointed us. So now that I'm seeing him in the squad, my appetite is whetted again, and I'm just hoping that he won't get injured before these 2 games or anything to rule him out of the squad, because I think it's now due time that he starts playing with the team and develop that kind of rhythm and also cohesiveness and understanding with the rest of the players.
The 2 friendly internationals are set for November 14 and 17 in the capital city of Riyadh. Both matches will kick off at 11:30 a.m. Jamaica time. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.